Hello classmates, this is Tina Gote and I'm providing my new summary 3 and the topic is free appropriate public school education and the case is Andrew F. versus Douglas County School District of 2017. It was a landmark Supreme Court case that established the standard for free appropriate public education. In summary of this case, Andrew F. was a student with autism. He was in a public school system for several years. He had an IEP that his parents felt did not meet his needs, and he was not making meaningful progress. His parents enrolled him in private school, where he made significant improvement. Andrew's parents sought reimbursement for tuition, arguing the district failed to provide free appropriate public school education as required by the Individuals with Disabilities Act, IDEA. The legal question: does IDEA require schools to provide an education that allows students with disabilities to make merely more than de minimis, barely more than minimal, progress, or must schools provide a program that allows for meaningful progress in light of the circumstances? The legal reasoning used in this case was FAPE requires more than minimal progress. The court rejected the lower court's ruling and established the IEP must be reasonably calculated to allow a child to make progress appropriate to the light of the child's circumstances. In addition, the ruling clarified that IDEA requires schools to offer challenging and ambitious goals tailored to the student's potential, creating a higher standard for special education services. And they used the Board of Education versus Raleigh of 1982, the precedent ensuring all public schools must provide an IEP designed for meaningful progress. In the court's decision, the ruling was 8-0, rejecting the lower court's minimal progress standards. The IEPs should be reasonably calculated to enable a child to make progress appropriate to their unique needs. Special education programs must aim to have challenging objectives. The court determined Andrew's IEP was not reasonably calculated to enable him to make appropriate progress. Therefore, the federal district court ruled in favor of the parents. The school district denied Andrew FAPE, and his parents were entitled to a reimbursement for the cost of the private school tuition. Now, the significance of this case is that it strengthens the protections for students with disabilities under IDEA. It emphasized education services should be aimed at significant learning, not trivial. The ruling for higher standards requires IEPs are tailored to the student's potential. It reinforces schools to monitor progress. The U.S. Department of Education reinforces the new standard for FAPE and to be more than minimal progress. Students with disabilities and IEPs should have goals and objectives that allow them to meet their potential. By ensuring that the IEPs are designed to encourage each student to meet their potential, they're able to meet the expectations of IDEA and FAPE. Thank you so much and have a good day.